You'll need 2 Majorana qubit arrays salvaged from Meta's scrapped AR glasses. Look for the HoloLens 4 dumpsters near the quantum server farms. 1 graphene substrate. Peel it off those thermal regulating Balenciaga hoodies. Rich folks sweat quantum gold. Photon entangler. This little guy stole it from a Stanford Labs trash. Shout out to PhD students who forget to wipe their badges. Now we braid these anyone's, yeah, like your cousin's hair. But if her braids could break causality, use a cryopen modified vape rig to freeze the qubits while you work. Pro tip, humming Fela Kuti stabilizes quantum spin. Your brain's part of the circuit now. Solder these ultrasonic transducers stolen from a dentist's office to the glove's palm. They'll ping your motor cortex at 40 kHz like Tinder for neurons. Swipe right on quantum control. No batteries, no problem. This metamaterial antenna shout out to Hoka's band Marathon Shoes converts cop sirens into juice. For emergency power, rub the piezoelectric tattoos on your palms. Your stress literally fuels time hacks.
Remember, the 1998 IRS tax loophole in the C++ backdoor? That's your undo button. Elysium's AIs can't read analog legacy code. It's like trying to understand your grandma's mixtape.
See that? We just hacked the observer effect. Now go build your own and tag Sater Qubit Syndicate so we can fork your code. For the homies who ain't got a quantum lab, swap qubits for Raspberry Pis and microwave magnets. It'll glitch your toaster, not time, but we all start somewhere.